Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. As Namisella here with a very beautiful face. And if you're joining me for the very first time, welcome, and welcome, honey. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, honey. So guys, today is the 16th of June 2025. It is a public holiday in South Africa. Guys. Oh, Hector Peterson, Obani. Okay, this is not a history class. So if you want to know about 16th June, Googlish. Anyways, there's nothing youthful, guys, about if anything, it's just giving adulting. It's giving dimdala, it's giving responsibility. Yo. So guys, today's video I'll be changing a car tire. Because yesterday, when I was on my way to Maclear, I saw this lady parked by the side of the road. Fake hazards ke. Beki triangle yakhe uphumile futhi yabonakala nje shemba udinga uncedo. Hayi ke ndihambe neMaclear to go buy my skincare products, Quacklix. Yo, and ngicishe ngafa guys because imali endiyibhatele pha was close to 1,000 rand. That's when I slip up. 918. Don't know if you guys can see. No, you can't because of Elang. But guys, I paid 900 close to 1,000 rand. And I thought I was spending 350 max in Tony. So when I came back, guys, still parked by the side of the road. But obviously, nama ndikwazi uma ndimbuza uba sisintoni ingxaki kwenzeka ntoni ume apha ndidlule ume apha yabo because I was scared. Laa ndawo guys iserhangeni, it's like in the middle of nowhere. Ayikho safe. So hayi ndimshiye ke shem umsisi wabantu. But apha endleleni ndibe ndicinga uba maybe inoba livili mhlawumbi ugqajukelwe livili akwazi ukulitshintsha ngokwakhe. Or it could also be that she was waiting for roadside assistance, guys, yabo. But mna into endiyacinga mhlawumbi uba inoba wethu bedinga help like immediate from abantu abadlula ngendlela, not necessarily roadside assistance. So kulapho ke ndenza decision yoba you know what, mandinantsike mandifunde ukwenza ividiyo. Yathi qatha ividiyo idea yoba actually mandendlini ndifike ndifunde utshintsha ivili, but ndifike sekumnyama izolo besiqala manyama, so I couldn't do the video yesterday. So ndizoyenza ngoku, and the time now is, I'm not sure about ixesha lithini, but I'm sure ubethile 3:30. Yeah, because senzopheka. And yeah guys, I think I should get going because kuqala nomoya nyana plus nequality izawubambi because ilanga seliyanishiya again. And guys, siku first half of the year, siku June, like I cannot believe ba siku June already. What have you guys achieved thus far? Quick goals zenu, zintoni esenizithikile? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Masincokoleni guys, let's have a conversation. And mna, from my side, guys, not a lot, really, not a lot. We still have 6 more months to go. If I'll take nix, don't worry. And even if I'll take it nix at all, could take good December, guys. Because you know we plan and God laughs. Well, God just decides about no mntanam le ayikakulungeli ngoku, yabo. Delayed is not denied. So uhlele sazokwenzela lento uyifunayo but ngexesha lakhe. So don't worry even if I'll take ikwanto. But nje ndiyacinga uba first half of the year, really, what have I achieved? Ukujima guys, nobala, it was one of my goals. But yo, the on and off. Ezinye. Hi guys, we plan and God laughs. But guys, have any of you achieved goals zabo? Please let me know in the comment section down below. But also guys, if awufumana nganto awukatiki any of the boxes kwilist yakho, don't worry. I remember the year enandifumana ngayo ibhakhi emsebenzi. Like I'm not worried guys, njengoba nguJune. The years I've not achieved a lot, really. But vele stress. But ndiyacinga it's first half of the year kufanele sene pressure, but anayo because the year I got ibhakhi emsebenzini, right? One of my goals, beginning of the year, is to drive more at work this year. And for me, improve confidence, I'm good driving. udaba bendikwazi but confident and etawuni bendiyabona nje hey bendihamba nge-luck guys, bendingazithembi at all. Hayi ke eMthatha okanye kwi-big cities, hayi shem. Njengoba ngoku sendingena ndiyongena naseJoburg ndiyongena naseLimpopo, uyayibona. So that year ke guys ndabhala ke beginning of the year uba I want to drive more at work this year. Sana uGod wavele wanika ibhaki. That's the year I got ibhaki emsebenzini. They gave me ibhaki in February. It was in February, nge-20 kaFebruary guys. Into ndiyibhale nge-1 kaJanuwari. Ndayifumana mna ibhaki nge-20 kaFebruary. So ndizama ukuthi even if kwezo zinto zakho ubuzibhalile akho nenye soyifumene, uGod usebenza ngezinye indlela. Mna ndandiplanile nje uba I want to drive more. Ndandinga-expectanga kwa uba ndinganikwa ibhaki okanye yeyi guys, but nge-20 kaFebruary that year mna ndayifumana ibhaki emsebenzini. They gave me ibhaki. So ndizama ukuthi uGod is able to do exceedingly abundantly than we ask for. Utsho phaa ku-Ephesians 3 verse 20 or 21, but into ezinjalo. Anyways guys, singathethi kakhulu mandihambe ilanga liyandishiya ndiyokwenza le video. So ndifuna ke guys sitshintshe itire. It will be my first time. Of course ndikwi-forestry industry ndi-exposed, ndiyayazi uba kwenziwa njani xa tshintsha ivili, but I've never done it myself. I know uba khona i-nuts, I know khona ujerk, I know, yabo ndiyazazi zonke ezaa zinto ne, but I've never done it myself. And also wethu guys, my dad always says ibalulekile into yoba umntu azimele, like sunqika ngumntu, because uba umntu uye wasuka uzawuyowa ubetheke ngamazinyo aphume futhi loo mazinyo wakho. Like don't overly rely on people, iba independent. So I think ndifuna ungena ku-independency era. Yamazi mos uPromise Makunyane, she's also a YouTuber. Une-podcast, I think, My Husband This, My Husband That. You guys know that lady. Uhlele City, it's nice to have stuff done for you by a man, but it's even nicer when you can do it yourself, you know. So namhlanje ndiyaqala guys uba independent. Ngotshintsha ivili sendingu-Miss Independent, but it's fine. Kuqalwa kanjalo guys, baby steps. So masizimeleni ladies. Imbi into endiyibone shame guys glasses. I mean ndimbona uba uyapanic because guys remember izolo it was Sunday. It was not that busy on the road, and long weekend I think abantu bebezihlalele ezindlini bepholile, like bengekho moto ezininzi emgaqweni. Nam ndihambile naye eMaclear ndaphinde ndabuya kungekho moto ezininzi. So imagine if uye wancedakala at what time if she was not waiting for roadside assistance. But it could have been me. The stuck phaa okanye guys. So ladies, let's do this. It's important uba ukwazi uzenzela izinto. It's even important uba uzenzelwe. It's fine, but it's important uba uzenzele, yes. So guys, let's do this before ndinantsike ndishiywe lilanga. Okay guys, so makube njalo. Lighting ngecala esentle. Anyways, this is the tire that I will be changing. Let me show you guys back properly. Nalike guys ivili that I will be changing. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so like I already told you, I know everything, but I've just never done it before. So the first thing you do, ladies, because obviously guys, ladies, the first thing you do is you pull over your vehicle to a safe place, right? If into yakho yenzeke usesemgaqweni, uyamuva endaweni safe, number 1. Number 2, you make sure uba handbrake yakho is up so that your car does not roll. Uqiniseke uba futhi ucimile, the engine is not running. Number 3, your tools. You check your tools. You must make sure that you have all the tools. Zithini ke i-tools enizidingayo guys? Ozosebenzisa ngu-jerk, number 1. Number 2, you will need a safety vest for safety. Yabona ubonakalisa uba kubhizi apha, roadworks, something like that. You will need a triangle yakho. You will need your wheel spanner. Ukukhupha eziya nuts. What else guys? Yeah, I think that's about it. Ezinye ndingakhange ndizithethe sizozibona ngendlela. Okay, sharp. So everything endiyidingayo ke guys, ilapha ebhuthini, i-spare wheel sam. Ne-spare wheel. Most important. Okay guys, so most importantly, you should always have your spare wheel with you. You should make sure uba xa uhamba guys, uyacheck uba i-spare wheel unaso. because you could have a puncher or and that's, but you always should have a spare wheel circle with you. So guys, everything we're gonna need. So if let's do this. Here's our spare wheel. Right. Sorry. Okay guys, so here's our wheel spanner. Nangu ujeke. Nansi safety vest yethu. If into yakho yenzeke ebusuku, even nasemini guys, funeka ureflect kwezinye imoto. And then nansi first aid bag. I mean, nugget dependent be you first aid, so yeah. The idea. Okay guys. Masenze. Let's do this. Okay guys, so I forgot this. Lay is for the lock nut. And you guys know lock nut. In fact, man, has lock nut. So guys, a lock nut layer, it's a special kind of nut. Your tire or your rim, right? So at this. And if you lose this, guys, because of or isuswe at all, and then get a universal. That means getting is amavili because so le yens ba umuntu noma segqibile ukulusnisha zonke ezi nuts leya idinga this. You understand guys? Okay guys, so let's get started. So gqibela ngayo le. Okay. Oh, yenzekile ngo? Oh wow. I think you look natural. Again. Oh wow, guys. Guys, I got this. Hayibo. Vele yimlo. Kutheni ngathi asiqinanga nje izinto? Asiqinanga ne? Because izolo. Ngifuna ngabona ngisenza so. There you go. Lena ke guys le sebenza nge-lock nut, okay? So sizafaka i-lock nut yethu. Into yethu for the lock nut. Okay, qinisa ne? Qinisa so. So ndenze njani? Oh, ndiyenze so, ne? Kanje? Oh. So. Oyitheni ngephuma?
Yeah.
Hayibo, kutheni kwalula kangaka? Sendingumaster nawo. Hoy, sendingumaster. Okay, guys, yo. Sengikhathele ke ngoku. This ihamba no jerk. This is how a jerk looks like. Ladies. Siyanyusa ke ngoku. Okay, so faka pants komoto ke guys, ne? So faka ube in alignment with the ndawo ke guys, ne? Yabo. So ngamana sofuna iphinde unyuse again. Please, I need your help. Right. Okay guys, Yo, kutheni nganyuki ke ngoku? Amithi help, John. Kwazi senzeka. Jonga, iyenza ngoku. Ndithini ke ngoku? Ndijishe futhi? Oh, guys. But we want to be independent ladies. Woo. Remember, promise Makunyane's words. It's nice to have a man and have him do stuff for you, but it's even nicer when you can do it yourself. Yeah, you mad? Yo, that's Is that right? I got it right, you. Okay. Gazelle. Look, the baby. Okay, is it for you? Gotcha. Well. Abazela kusobamba ndanga. Ikonto enzekayo. You right? Guys, this is how it should look like. Yeah? When you tied it all up, it should look like that. But it is no child's play. Guys. Now I see why. This is not easy at all. Okay, so oh, the coupon, eh? Like so. Yeah, it's turning up. Okay, guys, tap the A1. Ladies, number 2. Hindi ko ba nandiyan? Oh, sorry.
But this is my pencil. It's our pencil. Mommy.
Babies.
Mommy.
Guys, done. So guys, here's our spare wheel. So ndiyalifaka apha ne. Ndiyalikhwelisa. Iloku nathi ilana ne. Hey, iloku nathi tenzi fana zonke ke ngoku. Hey, iloku nathi apha. Dithini?
Oh, got some ornery. Here's the one for.
Hey, my nails. Oh, sorry. Dithini? Angiyani. Inganela so? Huh?
Must make sure it aligns.
Oh, le ndawo ivalele. Oh, ngiphakamisa. Like so. So, then the team ke ibambe so. Ladies, you must make sure uba ke iminqwe yakho iyabonakala ne. Emveni kokuqalisa le minqwe, guys, you must make sure, and you must count inansi zakho 1 2 3 4 5. Naxa uzibuyisela uqiniseke uba ziyi-5. Ungabi ne-situation where icala lakho livele liqhawuke endleleni. Right, okay. Ndithini ke ngifake so.
Other way.
So.
This pen some water.
Ndiyeke ke ngoku.
This water, yeah.
Sengaliyeka ivili. Okay, ndibambe so ne.
Hi, Gideon, get over here. No, I'm showing you how to change a tire. Yeah.
Okay, nuts. Then I get guys nuts again. Lock nuts. Last one. Then after this, are we good to go? After this, don't shake it.
Just to tighten them.
Tighten them how? Oh, there's connection, eh?
But only after.
Then I inject the car.
You inject the car first before you tighten.
I inject the car before I tighten. You look nice in the tin, see back then, so on the tin, inject the car. Okay. So because inject obviously is a reverse, ne? Like so. Guys, I hope you are born and you are full like. Guys, it was not that hard. I'm sure it's only 10 minutes left. Nana?
I found the pencil.
Done.
Done?
You found
Okay.
Mommy.
Okay. And we sell it job. Huh?
Maybe tighten.
Okay.
Okay. So when I tighten,
Yeah?
yeah, up here. Yeah, and there's a sun.
And more.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's been late, guys. Oh, no, I'm telling you. I don't know, okay, guys. But sorry if I'm disappointed. This is the tiny Abba. Yeah? Oh, the fucking look nice. Sorry. Good telling and combos. Done. So there's a short and was tight. This sorry. Jake. Hey guys, so I'm done changing the tire. Nibonele guys, it was not that hard at all. So ladies, please, you have no excuse.
Mommy.
Nana?
He's
He's like mama.
his castle.
Sanudlala ngodaka. Sanudlala ngamanzi. Yo, guys, I think you should definitely see this. Yebo. Izandla zinje.
Hey, it's my castle. Hey, that's my castle. I'll make it bigger.
Hey guys, Sunkissed with us. So guys, I'm done changing the tire. Go back the original tire. Go try because it's slow. But anyways, I enjoyed the class. The teacher was very patient. The teacher was very nice. I think uteacher benedolo. But uteacher kangafuna undincedisa. Uteacher uyafuna ndizenzele yonke into, which is fine because the day teacher ngekho, it means I'm gonna struggle. So but guys, I did everything all by myself. I think if ngondingaba nengxaki endleleni, ndingakwazi uzenzela. Like be confident ndiyenze once and I'm sure uba ndingakwazi uphinda ndizenzele. It was not that hard. But funa ndiqaphele uJack guys. Saludlala apho, sukani. Funa ndiqaphele uJack wenu guys because if uJack if uJack awumfakanga endaweni right, usawuwela imoto. Yebo. So yeah guys, let's end off the vlog here. This was a video suggestion so yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Ladies, please, this year 2025 Womandla Bokoto. If you have watched the video until this far, please comment Bokoto or Ndiyim Bokoto or Womandla or whatever guys, but please tell ladies as much as we can. It's always nice to have a man and a man do stuff for you, but it's even nicer if you can do that can do the stuff for yourself. Okay guys, okay guys, let's end off the vlog here. Mimi?
Huh?
Me? Okay guys,
Bye.
bye. See you
Guys.
on the next one. You told us, Anna? Okay guys, delayed, but yeah. Sasibuyisele that's our spell back in endaweni yakhona savala. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys. Background. Teacher, how was the student?
Too slow.
Huh?
Too slow.
Too slow, Njani. It was my first time.
Yeah, but it wasn't like you were willing to learn.
But it's content. But ndifundile. Are you also confident about if
No.
Wow, guys.
I'm here for a test.
I am so for a test, ne? Uzon test ani? Guys, I'm so disappointed. Udu teacher mna, I didn't learn anything but then like content. But mna guys ndiyazazi ba ndifundile. What if I'm here for a test? Okay. So ngoku it's my turn. Ndimozoba seclassini. Yebo. Cebu teacher. Okay guys, see you on the next one. Bye. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and of course click the bell icon for future updates. See you in my next one. Bye.